favorite vacation?
Not the United States.
I think a favorite vacation would be probably the beach, and it doesn't matter. It could be Galveston, it could be, Roatan, it could be just the beach or something peaceful about it.
Montana.
Somewhere on the beach.
The Cayman Islands.
I would say either Hawaii or maybe back to Florida.
Hawaii. So my goal is to make it to every ballpark in America, and so baseball's my thing. But if I had to go somewhere completely different, I think it would probably be Italy. I've always wanted to go there.